my channel. Today I have for you the next part of me resetting and basically starting fresh for the new year, which means cleaning out my closet. One of the things that I really wanted to do this year was start off with a clean, fresh closet. And that was not the case. For the most part, my closet is already decluttered since I did it 3 months ago. However, it is extremely messy and just not organized. I basically have a clothing rack in the middle of the closet which just piles on clothes and just keeps it messy. I ended up putting that clothing rack there so that I can be forced and reminded to put things on Poshmark. And it's been 3.5 months since, so today's the day. Today is the day that I'm finally going to be also listing things on Poshmark. That's something that I feel a lot of us do, which is postponing putting things on Poshmark or donating or just simply getting rid of the things that you decluttered. So I have like 2 bags and the clothing rack that I need to start listing, and if I'm not going to list it, just simply donate it because it's just going to sit there. So for today's video, I encourage you guys to just clean out your closet, get rid of things that just don't fit anymore or don't make you feel good. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I declutter my closet every season. However, I feel like I need to do it a lot more often because I do get a lot of clothes with what I do for a living and it just accumulates. So as you can see, it's very messy, but I want to start the year fresh and just organize with less clothes and stop postponing putting things on Poshmark because this rack has been here since my last closet decluttering video in hopes for me to actually do it. I usually put everything I'm going to be donating or putting on Poshmark in bags, but I wanted to make a step further so that I can actually do it and put it in the rack, but that didn't help, as you can tell. I did put some things on Poshmark, but I'm going to actually get that done because it's one of my resolutions this year to just get it done. So this is the current situation in my closet. I know, it's a mess. But we're going to start off by getting everything out and then decluttering. If you've watched my previous closet organizing videos, you know that I like making 3 different piles, or 4 technically. One to keep, one to donate, one to sell on Poshmark, and then the other one is trash if it's really old. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm just going to get everything out and make my pile.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know.
Alright, so I got everything I could out of the way so that I can just do it by section. Here I have everything I had on the floor that I need to organize, and the clothing rack outside, which I'll organize after I finish this in here. But I'm going to start off with this corner.
Hold it back, I let it show all my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time, 'cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say,
finished organizing this section with my blazers, pants, jeans, some coats here, and I have to admit I only got rid of 3 things. I honestly don't have a lot to get rid of since I decluttered my closet not so long ago, but we're gonna move on to sweater.
But we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination or no. I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at?
That's about to fall.
Let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know.
All right, from this section, I am only getting rid of 3 pieces, so 6 so far. This section right here are all of my bridal clothes, and as I get closer to the wedding, I know for a fact I'm not going to be using a lot of these, so I will be listing a lot.
There's only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed, 'cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn, 'cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try but they can never take me down. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid.
All right, so here's how it's currently looking like after decluttering and organizing as much as I possibly could. I did organize some shoes and I also got some bags over the holidays, so you know, it's a lot more full than it used to be. And then here, as you can see, I also organized my heels, sneakers, the coats, the summer pieces here. I have some bridal stuff there and my sweaters. Then my perfumes. This I did declutter a while back, so I don't have to like necessarily touch it. I did organize it a little bit. And then here I have my jeans, shorts, hats. This hat up here is for a bachelorette that I have coming up. And then here are some more winter pieces. So jackets, cardigans, pants, coats. You guys already know I have 3 mom dressers. This right here is pieces that I need to post on Poshmark. And today is the day. Today is the day that I'm actually going to do it. But yeah, in this one, I just have my underwear, socks, PJs, working out clothes down there, some hoodies in here. And then I have my flats here and some bags and bathing suits in there. So yes, that's as organized as it's going to get. All right, closet is organized as you can see, but I am now going to basically sit down and list everything on Poshmark. I highly recommend for you guys to do the same. I swear you're going to feel like a weight is lifted off your shoulder. If you are interested on any of these pieces, I'm going to be listing them down below. I have some bridal stuff, some winter, some fall, spring, summer, basically a lot of things. So definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye.